In this tutorial, we will take a closer look at how to set up events. Let's begin with setting up the events. Head over to Tickera and select Events from the menu. From this page, you can manage your events. As you can see, I already have quite a few set up already. Some basic info about them can be seen, like the title, event category, event location, start and end date, event shortcode, and active button. The event shortcode will display the event content, and with the active button right here, you can toggle if the event is active or not. Let's create a new event and see all the available options that we have. To do it, click Create New button located at the top here. As you can see, the content looks like a typical post. There are some standard options like the title and the content. We'll write a cool name like Tickera Fest 2020, and we will add some dummy text in the content. Along with the plain text, we can use some Tickera shortcodes. Just click on the button named Tickera right here, and all available shortcodes will appear. We will not waste too much time with shortcodes because we already explained how they function in a different video. There are numerous shortcodes that can help you display the content of your event more beautifully. Make sure to check them out. Out of demonstration purpose, I will add a tickets table shortcode to our content. Shortcode will display all the ticket types connected to our event. We do not have any ticket types connected to our event now, but we will do it later so the tickets table would be populated in our event. On the right here, we have some important fields that we need to set. Let's start with the start date and time and end date and time fields. They're pretty much self-explanatory, so we will now set the date and time when our event begins and ends. As you can see, the calendar pops out, and we will set the date when our event begins. Let's do the same for when our event ends. We have now set the date and time when our event begins and ends. Event dates will show on the front in the format you have selected in the WordPress settings. Just under the event date options, there is an option named Show Tickets Automatically. It will show the tickets table on the front without you needing to add a tickets table shortcode. Just under it, the Hide Event After Expiration option will hide this event from front-end listings. On the left, just under the content text area, there is some additional information you can provide about your event. The event location is used to mark where the event will be held. We will type New York. If you wish, you can use the event shortcode in the shortcodes button mentioned earlier. That way, you can make the location more visible in the content. You can also use the ticket template element in the ticket templates to display the location on the customer's tickets. Terms of use field is used if you have any special terms for your event. They can be located on the ticket itself or on the event. To display it on the event page, you can use the shortcode mentioned earlier, or to display it on the ticket, you can also use the ticket template element in the ticket templates. The event logo field here and the sponsors logo field here is similar to terms of use field. The only difference is that those fields are meant for uploading an image. I'm just going to set some images for these two. You can display those logos on your ticket or display it on the event via shortcode. If you're gonna display them on the ticket, 300 dpi resolution image is recommended. I will add those images via shortcode to our event. When we have finished setting up the event, we can click Publish and see the results. But before that, let's connect some ticket types to our event so they would populate the tickets table. Let's head over to Tickera Ticket Types. I have already created some ticket types and I will reassign them by clicking on them and setting the event option right here on the right. I will select the event we have just created. Okay, that's done. Let's head back over to our event. We're just going to click on the permalink here, and there we have it, a nicely designed event page with all the information nicely displayed. At the top here, we can see when our event starts and finishes. and next to it, the location of our event. Just under it, we can see the content, the tickets table, event logo, and sponsors logo. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hit the subscribe button for some more Tickera tutorials.